Today we will be finding the value of a missing angle. Let's take a look at this first diagram. In this first diagram, we have a pair of vertical angles. They're vertical because they are directly across from each other. They do not share a common side. However, they do share a common vertex. The one thing to remember about vertical angles, they are congruent. Congruent angles are equal. So if this measure is 70 degrees, the measure of this missing angle is also 70 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees. Just a little reminder, these little circles up here are the degree symbols. In our second diagram, we have a pair of angles that make a 90-degree angle. These two angles are adjacent because they share a common vertex and they share a common side. Adjacent angles either add up to 90 degrees or 180 degrees. These two angles, because they're formed on a 90-degree angle, they're going to add up to be 90 degrees. So we're going to write an algebraic equation to solve this. I'm going to write my 31 plus my second degree, which is x plus 4, and those two should equal 90 degrees. Combining my constant terms, I have x is equal to 35. X plus 35 is equal to 90. I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. So x is equal to 55 degrees. That is the value of x. However, the missing angle here is not 55 degrees. I have to plug in 55 into that expression. So 55 plus 4 is equal to 59 degrees. That's the degree measurement of this missing angle. And to do a check to make sure that my work is correct, if I add this 31 degrees and if I add the missing 59 degrees, together that equals 90 degrees. And that makes sense because this is my 90-degree angle. In my third and last diagram, I have two adjacent angles again. I have my unknown angle and I have a 118-degree angle. These two angles are formed from a straight angle. And we remember from the previous video, straight angles equal 180 degrees. So the sum of these two angles together should equal 180 degrees. The algebraic equation I can write is x plus 118 is equal to 180 degrees. I'm going to subtract 118 from both sides. And the value of x is 62 degrees. And just to do my check, if I add 62 plus 118, that should give me my 180 degrees, and it does. And that's how you find the missing value of an angle.